Hi, I'm Jenny Lenz with Watch, Create, Shine. Have you ever wished that you could learn from a creative with tech skills? Something like photography. Would you like to gain more confidence dealing with tech and develop your branding style and be able to organize your images, name them, move them, change their colors? Well, watch as I share how and why I transform images with textures and type. I share design tips, color and layout and typography, plus web design secrets that most people are struggling with, and myths and mindsets of tech that get in the way of fulfilling your dreams. And finally, the wild world of e-commerce. I've sold a lot of things online, and it's not always as easy as it looks. I'm a world famous photographer with my work in many books and magazines, documentaries, collectors, the Museum of Contemporary Art in LA, the Smithsonian, and the one I'm getting tongue-tied about is the Metropolitan Museum of Art. I would love to teach you as I have at major colleges and universities, but now you can come online, go to Dreaming Big Academy, and click on the images to find out more information, one workshop at a time or all of them. Remember to create like an artist, think like a marketing and branding alchemist, skillfully use digital tools, and transform your dreams into reality. It really can happen, and I'm here to give you a big hand and help you and guide you, and can't wait to see what you do. So I will be seeing you at DreamingBig.Academy. Thanks, and bye now.